1. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $28,000. Located, Stanfordville, New York. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a purpose-built drag car that delivers serious horsepower and proven race-ready performance. Finished in classic white, this first-generation Camaro is powered by a massive 565 cubic inch engine built around a Dart aftermarket block, providing the strength required for high-output competition. Performance is further enhanced by Brodix cylinder heads, lightweight titanium valves, and premium JE forged pistons, creating an engine package designed for reliability and maximum power. A dynamic turbo 400 automatic transmission transfers power efficiently to a strange Dana 60 rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.30 gears, giving the car excellent traction and acceleration on the strip. The seller notes that the vehicle has been newly certified, making it ready for competitive racing or organized drag events. With approximately 123,456 miles shown, this Camaro represents a carefully assembled race machine rather than a standard street car. Its combination of premium drivetrain components, proven performance upgrades, and iconic first-generation Camaro styling makes it an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a competitive drag car that is already equipped with high-quality racing hardware and dependable mechanical components. 2. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $23,500. Located, East Brookfield, Massachusetts. The 1981 Chevrolet Malibu is a professionally built pro-street muscle car that combines aggressive styling with exceptional big block performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Malibu is powered by a formidable 496 cubic inch Chevrolet engine topped with a massive 671 supercharger, delivering outstanding horsepower and unmistakable blower performance. The engine features an Eagle competition forged rotating assembly along with premium ARP bolts and studs to ensure durability under demanding conditions. Power is delivered through a built turbo 400 automatic transmission connected to an 8.5-inch 10-bolt rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears for strong street performance and reliable acceleration. The vehicle has only approximately 2,600 miles since completion, reflecting the limited use and careful ownership. Additional components included with the sale feature brand new BMR suspension parts and pro-forged components still in their original boxes, offering even greater upgrade potential. According to the seller, the only reason for selling is the opportunity to purchase another long-desired vehicle. This Malibu represents an excellent opportunity to own a powerful, well-built pro-street Chevrolet that combines proven performance, quality craftsmanship, and outstanding value. 3. 1983 Chevrolet Chevette. Price, $18,000. Located, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The 1983 Chevrolet Chevette Pro Street is a unique compact muscle machine that has been transformed into a powerful performance car while maintaining its lightweight platform and unmistakable character. Finished in white with a black interior, this Chevette is presented in excellent condition with a clean title and approximately 50,265 miles. Power comes from a modified 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with an automatic transmission, creating an exciting combination that delivers impressive acceleration in a lightweight chassis. Built as a pro-street vehicle, the car offers a distinctive appearance that stands out at cruise nights, local shows, and performance events alike. The seller states that the vehicle has no significant mechanical problems and remains in excellent overall condition. Interested buyers should note that vehicle delivery is not available, and pickup must be arranged in North Philadelphia. This Chevrolet Chevette is ideal for enthusiasts seeking something different from traditional muscle cars while still enjoying dependable V8 power and classic American performance. Combining lightweight construction, modified mechanical components, and eye-catching styling, this pro-street Chevette offers an enjoyable driving experience and a truly unique addition to any performance vehicle collection. 4. 1962 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $35,000. Located, Johnston, Rhode Island. The 1962 Chevrolet Nova is a beautifully upgraded classic that blends vintage styling with modern performance enhancements for an exciting and enjoyable driving experience. Finished in attractive blue with a black interior, this Nova features a clean title and is reported to be in very good condition throughout. Power comes from a newly built 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a roller camshaft and hydraulic lifters, producing an impressive 468 horsepower and 441 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a modern 5-speed manual transmission featuring a hydraulic clutch, providing smooth shifting and excellent driver engagement. Additional upgrades include a late-model Camaro front suspension that improves handling, steering response, and overall drivability. The vehicle also rides on 4 new tires, including massive 29 by 15.5 rear tires that give the car an aggressive pro-street appearance while enhancing traction. The seller describes the Nova as a fun car to drive, offering strong performance with dependable mechanical components. This Chevrolet Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a classic American muscle car that successfully combines vintage charm with modern engineering and impressive street performance. 5. 1988 Dodge Daytona Drag Car. Price, $35,000. Located, Shepherdshay, Rhode Island. The 1988 Dodge Daytona drag car is a purpose-built race machine designed for serious competitors looking for a dedicated drag racing platform. Built exclusively for competition, this Daytona has been prepared with performance in mind and offers an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a lightweight and capable chassis. The seller presents the vehicle as a race-ready drag car and encourages direct phone inquiries for additional technical details and specifications. As a dedicated drag racing vehicle, it has been developed to deliver consistent performance on the strip while providing a solid foundation for future modifications or personalized setup adjustments. Whether competing in bracket racing, local drag events, or other organized motorsports, this Daytona offers the specialized construction expected from a purpose-built race car. The seller has requested that interested buyers call directly rather than sending online messages, ensuring that detailed information can be discussed personally. This 1988 Dodge Daytona represents an excellent opportunity for racers who appreciate lightweight performance platforms and are searching for a competitive drag car with significant potential for continued success on the track. 6. 1989 Ford Tempo. Price, $49,995. Located, Cromwell, Connecticut. The 1989 Ford Tempo is a professionally constructed NHRA-certified drag car built to compete at a high level while offering exceptional engineering and premium racing components throughout. This lightweight panel car features a Lindblad chrome moly round tube chassis with a current NHRA 8.50 certification, making it an outstanding platform for serious drag racing competition. Performance equipment includes ladder bar rear suspension, strut front suspension, a funny car cage, Harry glass fiberglass nose and trunk lid, and a 500 cubic inch Ford 429 engine equipped with a 460 cylinder heads, aluminum connecting rods, a Dominator carburetor, MSD ignition, and a Denver throttle stop. Power is delivered through a TCI automatic transmission and torque converter to a Ford 9-inch rear axle, while Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes provide excellent stopping performance. The vehicle can be purchased as a complete turnkey race car or as a roller without the engine and transmission. An additional 600 cubic inch Ford Edge racing engine is also available separately. This Ford Tempo represents an exceptional opportunity for racers seeking a professionally built, highly competitive drag car with premium components and proven NHRA-compliant construction. 7. 1982 Chevrolet Chevette. Price, $14,000. Located, Enfield, Connecticut. The 1982 Chevrolet Chevette is a well-built pro-street machine that transforms Chevrolet's compact economy car into an exciting V8-powered performance vehicle. Finished in white with a black interior, this Chevette is presented in good condition and has approximately 1,234 miles recorded since its build. Power comes from an AL's Toy Box performance engine paired with a B&M automatic transmission, creating a dependable combination for both street driving and weekend drag racing. The chassis has been upgraded with a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension that improves traction and stability during hard acceleration. Additional race-inspired equipment includes a 12-point roll cage for increased structural strength and driver protection, a fuel cell for improved fuel delivery, and a nitrous oxide system for additional horsepower when desired. Every major modification has been selected to support the car's pro-street personality while maintaining dependable operation. The seller has clearly stated that no trades will be considered. This Chevrolet Chevette offers an affordable opportunity to own a unique compact pro-street build with quality performance upgrades, aggressive styling, and exciting V8-powered driving characteristics that stand out wherever it goes. 8. 1992 Pontiac Trans Am. Price, $55,000. Located, Rochester, New York. The 1992 Pontiac Trans Am is an exceptionally well-engineered grudge racing machine built for consistent high-performance competition while maintaining outstanding reliability. Originally constructed by APE, this professionally built race car carries a valid 25.1E certification through 2027 and features a 110-inch wheelbase with double frame rails for maximum strength. The chassis is configured to accommodate a Powerglide, Lenco, or Bruno transmission and currently operates with a Powerglide while retaining a clutch pedal. Power comes from a 548 cubic inch big block Chevrolet featuring a Merlin Pro block, Kelly's crankshaft, MGP connecting rods, JE pistons, Dart 360 cylinder heads, a Comp and Manley valve train, and a massive 1471 supercharger with Mallory magneto ignition. Additional equipment includes dual Stroud parachutes, dual fire suppression systems, Santhuf rear shocks, Lam front struts, for-link suspension, anti-roll bar, coated Dynatec headers, weld beadlock wheels, and race-ready safety equipment throughout. According to the seller, the car consistently runs 4.70-second passes and drives exceptionally straight. This turnkey Trans Am is an outstanding choice for racers seeking proven performance and professional-level construction. 9. 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS Restomod. Price, $144,000 Canadian dollars. Located, Collingwood, Ontario. The 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS Restomod is a spectacular custom build that combines classic muscle car styling with modern engineering, premium craftsmanship, and outstanding performance. Finished in elegant gray with a matching gray interior, this Nova has been completely restored and extensively upgraded using new or professionally rebuilt components throughout. Power comes from a modern all-aluminum 6.0-liter LS2 Corvette engine producing approximately 550 horsepower, paired with a rebuilt Tremec 5-speed manual transmission for an engaging driving experience. Additional upgrades include a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle, a custom Hot Rod FX chassis, Willwood performance brakes, Ride-Tech air suspension, vintage air climate control, Dakota digital instrumentation, and stylish American racing wheels. Extensive body modifications further enhanced the vehicle's aggressive appearance while maintaining the unmistakable lines of the original Nova SS. Every aspect of this Restomod has been carefully planned to provide modern reliability, exceptional handling, and impressive street performance without sacrificing its classic appeal. The seller is open to reasonable offers and may also consider trades plus cash. This Nova SS represents an extraordinary opportunity to own a professionally built, show-quality Restomod with outstanding attention to detail and exceptional performance. 10. 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Drag Car. Price, $58,000. Located, Front Royal, Virginia. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Drag Car is a professionally built competition machine engineered for serious drag racing while retaining the unmistakable appearance of one of America's most iconic muscle cars. Built around a certified 25.4 roll cage rated to 7.50 seconds, this Mustang is powered by a naturally aspirated 444 cubic inch small block Ford engine prepared by Kuntz & Company. The combination features a Dart aftermarket block, Brodix cylinder heads, stainless steel headers, and a dependable Powerglide automatic transmission connected to a Ford 9-inch rear axle with a 4-link suspension. Lightweight fiberglass body panels include the front clip, doors, and trunk lid, while Lexan windows help reduce overall weight to approximately 2,600 pounds. Additional race equipment includes aerospace performance brakes, AFCO adjustable shocks, a Kirky racing seat, and a RacePack digital dash with integrated data logger for accurate performance monitoring. Functional headlights and taillights remain installed, adding versatility to the vehicle. Although the chassis requires recertification, this Mustang remains an outstanding opportunity for racers searching for a professionally constructed drag car featuring premium racing components, proven engineering, and exceptional performance potential. 11. 1973 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $29,000. Located, Newburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a well-prepared drag car that combines dependable small block performance with proven track capability and excellent overall presentation. Powered by a strong 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, this Nova is paired with a reliable Powerglide automatic transmission and aggressive 4.30 rear gears to deliver consistent acceleration on the drag strip. The seller describes the vehicle as a solid 6.50 second class race car that has recorded impressive quarter-mile performances in the low 10-second range. The car retains glass windows while incorporating lightweight fiberglass front and rear bumpers along with a fiberglass hood to reduce weight without sacrificing appearance. The paint remains in excellent condition and has been protected with a ceramic coating, giving the exterior a clean and attractive finish. All racing certifications are reported to be current, allowing the vehicle to compete without additional preparation. A Pennsylvania title is included, adding convenience for the next owner. The Chevrolet Nova offers an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a dependable, professionally maintained drag car that combines proven performance, quality construction, and classic American muscle styling at a competitive price. 12. 1993 Ford Mustang Roller. Price, $13,000. Located, Mt. Airy, Maryland. The 1993 Ford Mustang Roller is a professionally prepared race chassis offering exceptional value for builders seeking a high-quality foundation for a competitive drag racing project. Equipped with a clean title, all-steel body, and factory glass, this Mustang features a lightweight Outlaw front bumper, bubble cowl hood, and Outlaw rear wing for improved aerodynamics and race-inspired styling. The mild steel 25.5 roll cage carries a 2025 certification for 7.50 second quarter-mile competition and is complemented by premium suspension components from Marty Marillet, Wolf Rassicraft, and Strange Engineering. Additional highlights include a Strange 9-inch rear axle with 40 spline axles, ultra-center section, double adjustable shocks and struts, Willwood front brakes, Kaiser double beadlock rear wheels, Weldalia Master front wheels, tubular K-member, flaming river steering rack, Team Z control arms, and a painless wiring switch panel. The car is configured for a small block Ford engine and Powerglide transmission while also including a Racepack digital dash and Big Stuff Gen 3 Pro engine management system with traction control. This Mustang represents an outstanding opportunity to acquire a premium drag racing roller loaded with high-quality performance components at an exceptional value.